Good morning, good morning, good morning. Spot.
And on the outside is 93, Maritime Rowing Club.
Anyway, Sunday. Football Sunday.
Oh no, that's
Outside.
The outside is 76, Long Island.
All along the Anyway, of course I'm out here doing my thing, getting some fresh air, there. Sunday the 5th of October. Look at you, like you're the stranger. No, I got 57 years invested down in this area. Anyway, I'm headed home. I got my fit on. Okay, so I got my gloves with me as well. Out here, enjoying some morning sun, some fresh air. Clear your head. Get over what you were eating and drinking last night. Oh, last night I went to Newington Pizza. I actually sat down in Newington Pizza. Normally I order my food and bring it home. Anyway, yesterday, I found this bridge. You could barely see the Buckley Bridge in the background. I sat at Newington Pizza. Had to go about an hour. Of course, they don't serve alcohol. I just bought a salad, chicken Caesar salad. No croutons. Croutons is part of the bread family. I'm a no bread type of guy overall. That was a good Saturday. Other than that, I just been chilling. Been off work for 3 days today. My 4th day off work. Using up my PTO. Use your PTO to oh, speaking of PTO, people. For my people that's per diem, you gotta get part-time. You per diem with no benefits? No. And then you doing 40 hours, 2 hours, or whatever. Come on, let's get the benefits. Let's get the benefits out of this. Go get your teeth cleaned. Go get a physical. Get you an eye exam. Maximize the benefits. Get you a 401k. Man, y'all missing out on stuff being per diem. Even if you're part-time, do 24 hours. If you want more hours, just pick up 2 more days. You're going to get your 40 hours. You know, these jobs short-handed, they can give people to work. So, get you a good 40 hours in, and you'll be set. Morning. I don't know the people, my boy is running backwards. I don't know what he's up to, but you'll soon be second. Yo, he's running backwards. That ain't my camera, that's him. Actually running backwards. But as you can see, I'm walking back home. Take a quick picture of this. Yes, sir. Anyway, he got some boat racing along the river. I'm out here getting my steps, and I got my, did I show y'all my gloves? I got my gloves, got on the hoodie. I don't got on my long johns. Yesterday I had on my long johns while I was out here, but not today. Because I knew with a little jogging, a little walking, my body would get hot enough for me to stay warm plus like 60 degrees. It's supposed to get up to about 80 degrees today. Sunday, October 5th, 2025. Anyway, my damn arm is getting tired. Let y'all see my walking path. We'll take y'all up the hill. You can keep going. Let y'all see my journey. Nothing big. And this is going on YouTube. You know, I don't normally post myself on YouTube, but I got some people that like to see me. So, I'm speed walking. She got her head down. Said, oh, there you go. Let me just walk on by. Anyway, get this over with. Oh, shout out to Butterball. Just saw Butterball. Shout out to Butterball and the crew. This guy over here at the entrance. He's probably not here today. Normally I jog up this hill. But I'm not gonna do it today. On camera. So I'll just walk it. This is where I normally get my cardio from. Uphill jogging. Walk it today. There's the Connecticut River over there behind the trees. The Mafia. I like the Mafia. The Mafia. The boy got on Buffalo Bills gear. So shout out to the Mafia and the Shad. Other than that, this is all uphill, people. I normally jog. I'm only like halfway there. And I'd rather run it than walk it. So I tell you, when I be running, this is where I run at. Walking seems worse than running. My legs are ready to go. My body's telling me no. Anyway, I'm sitting on the edge of the levees. Those are levees, you know, the Katrina levees that broke down and all the water flooded into New Orleans. Got the same thing about levees. Connecticut River flood. There's some boats out there. See them. Boats out there. See him. Boys going uphill with the light. It's going uphill. It's not a bad hill to go up. People sitting on top of the levees right here. Enjoying the morning outside. See what they're doing. I never even a lot of people outside today. She's smoking my sun is in my face. So trying to avoid me. Maybe not. Who gives a damn? I don't know these people from nowhere. You just do what you do. Go about your business. They say for most people, just mind your business. Let people do what they do, and you do what you do. Just like I got my camera, they could have said, "Don't be filming me. Take me off your camera." That is cool. Anyway, I'm headed home. Got a little housework to do. See the Colt Dome over there? See the blue dome? The onion. The blue dome. Colt firearms. Samuel Colt. Look up the history of the firearms. Guns right there. rather 91. They're doing a lot of rebuilding. So there's a bunch of repairs going on back here under the bridge. I-90, this is 91 north. Over here, on that side is 91 south, so we will be going that way if you're going to New York. Got stairs to get up there. So I can't see too much because of the glare. This is the bridge that they're repairing. Oh, this is being repaired. A bunch of materials over there. Machinery over there. It's going back to the river behind me. This is all being repaired. So when you're on a highway coming this way, going south on 91, and those lanes get tight. This is because of this. This is 91 south. There's the Colt Dome, the Blue Onion. And that's the repairs that they're doing up there. All the repairs that they're doing up there. There's the guy outside. Chit-chat, nobody seems like he's handling business. Morning, sir. How you doing? Nice seeing you again. Yep, take care. So, we're outside. There's my guy over there handling the entrance to the riverfront. We got a list of names and all those people can get through. But what's this Van Dyke? Van Dyke Avenue. Other than that, I'm gonna get off of here. Been on here too long. How long I've been on here? 13 minutes. That ain't too long. But that's me walking from the riverfront. Take 15 minutes. 15 minutes of your day. Get you some steps in. I don't know how many steps I got. But, see, I've been walking for 48 minutes. But reporting live on Van Dyke Avenue. This is Talking Things reporting live from Van Dyke Avenue in Hartford, Connecticut. You guys enjoy the rest of your football Sunday. I'm going for the Jets today. I need the Jets to win. I need the Jets to win. See the Travelers Tower over there. Other than that, I will holler. Dark. Will holler at you guys later.